How to overcome laziness. Before we begin, take a deep breath. This moment is yours. You didn't click on this video by accident. Something inside you is tired of wasting time, tired of letting your potential sit idle. That fire inside you? It's not gone. It's waiting for a spark. So before you scroll away, lock in. Because this message might be the shift you've been waiting for. Let's talk about how to overcome laziness and finally take control of your life.
How to overcome laziness and take control of your life. Let's be honest. Laziness feels good in the moment, but deep down you know it's stealing your potential. Every hour spent scrolling, every task avoided, every "I'll do it later." It all adds up. But you're not lazy by nature. You're just stuck in a cycle. Here's how to break out of it. Why you feel lazy. Laziness isn't the real problem. It's a symptom. It shows up when you're overwhelmed, mentally exhausted, or afraid of failure. Your brain defaults to avoidance mode. It often comes from lack of clarity, fear of failing, low energy, poor habits, and a distracting environment. You don't need to force yourself. You need to adjust your energy, your mindset, and your space. Fix your self-talk. What you tell yourself matters. If your internal dialogue sounds like, "I'll start tomorrow," "I don't feel motivated," "I work better under pressure," then you're feeding the problem. Change your words. "I do hard things." Action beats emotion. Done is better than perfect. You don't wait for motivation. You move first, and motivation follows.
Five habits that destroy laziness. 1. Wake up with intention, no phone. Start with your goals. Remind yourself why today matters. 2. Use a 5-minute rule. Commit to starting a task for just 5 minutes. Action creates momentum. 3. Clear your space. A messy space box action. Clean space, clean focus. 4. Daily non-negotiables, whether to walk, journaling, or 10 minutes of reading. Do it daily. 5. Track wins every time you beat laziness. Note it. You're training your identity. I'm consistent.
Discipline beats motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Discipline means showing up even when you don't feel like it. The most successful people, they feel lazy too. They just choose action anyway. Every disciplined move is a vote for your future. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to begin.
Final words. Laziness fades when purpose is clear. When you tie your actions to something bigger, your future, your family, your dreams, you become unstoppable. So start small. Start now. You don't need perfect conditions, just consistent decisions. Win one moment, then the next. You got this. Before you go, if this message hit home, do us a favor. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Because if you don't, you might never see us again in your feed. And that's the kind of discipline we don't want you to miss. Thanks for watching. Let's build the future together.